Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shauna the MUA, and today I am doing a full review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills new collection. This is their new matte and satin lipsticks, their lip gloss and lip liners. I'm also going to try them on for you so that you can see what this new collection looks like. So first I am going to start off with the lip liner Rosewood, which is this shade right here. And actually, let me just swatch the lip liner. These are the swatches of the lip liners. Muted Mauve. A Rosewood is more of a, exactly what it is, rosy tone. Kind of blends it with my skin. To go in with Hush. And this is what soft pinks look like. These are the lipsticks. And then the glosses go with the names. Well, some of them. So I'm going to do the swatch of the glosses. So we have Deep Taupe, we have Sunbaked. We also have Soft Pink. I really like the consistency of the glosses. They're not tacky, they're very smooth. And then the last one, this golden shade, is Goldie. The swatches of the glosses. I don't know if this one, yeah. Caramel is light for me. So the rest of these lip liners are kind of light. I'm going to use the shade Hush Pink, which is this. And I just used Soft Pink with the lipstick Hush Pink. This combo, this could be my go-to. Blush Brown, which is this. Goldie. And I like this combination as well. Rose, which is this color right here. And you know what I like about the mattes? The mattes aren't dry. It's more so like a satin matte. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's very comfortable on the lips. So with this Hush Rose, I am going to use Sunbaked. Sunbaked. Not sure if I already showed this one. Sunbaked, and I'm just going to use the Deep Taupe on top. Probably doesn't really match, but that's alright. This is with Deep Taupe on top of it. So the lip glosses, my final thoughts on the lip gloss shades, which are these. I really do like them. I like when glosses aren't tacky, they're not thick, they're not sticky. These are very creamy. They glide on the lips like butter. And I really like it. It gives you a little color payoff. The gold one I think probably has more pigment to it. The other ones are like a medium type coverage, but I do like them. The lip liners, I'm just going to say for deeper skin tones, for like myself and darker, these are very light. So these are the tones that we're dealing with. The only one that really showed up was the rosewood. And these are the lip liner shades, as you can see right here. So this will work out for people that are lighter than my complexion. They'll show up more on you. And then the lipsticks. I think these are all good everyday lipsticks. All of these are matte. They're all matte lipsticks. And I do like them. They're not extra drying. They're not super like hard to glide on. They actually glide on very easily. And I like it. I like that as a matte lipstick that feels comfortable on your lips. So ultimately, what I recommend to buy this new collection and try out some of these shades, yes. I think Anastasia, Beverly Hills, they never miss when it comes to the lip products, the eyeshadow products. Overall, they have a good lip line. I love the lip liners. They actually kind of remind me of the KKW because they do glide on pretty easily, and I like the color malt lip liner is my favorite. It's my go-to. The cool brown is also pretty good as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review. I hope you guys pick up some of these shades. If you do, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to follow me on Instagram, Shauna the MUA, and my beauty page, my business page, at SLR Beauty _. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.